Welcome to our channel. Finding comprehensive TV apps for Fire Stick means building a collection of legal services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for extensive coverage. Step 1. Start with a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV for access to dozens of live channels. Step 2. Add major on-demand services. Netflix for originals, HBO Max for prestige content, Disney Plus for family entertainment. Step 3. Install free ad-supported apps like Pluto TV, Tubi, and Freevee for thousands of additional movies and shows at no cost. Step 4. Download network apps like ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox for access to current shows and live programming. Some content requires cable authentication. Step 5. Try niche services for specific content types. Crunchyroll for anime, Shudder for horror, CuriosityStream for documentaries. Step 6. Install sports apps like ESPN, DAZN, or league-specific apps for comprehensive sports coverage. Step 7. Add music apps like Spotify or Pandora, and news apps like ABC News or CNN for complete entertainment coverage. Step 8. Use streaming search apps like Just Watch to find where specific shows and movies are available across all your services. Building a legal collection provides better quality and reliability than any single mega app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.